What's up, guys? It's Ray Meyer. We are back in Converse, Texas at the Centex Santa Clara community, just south of Randolph Air Force Base. We're walking into the Mesilla model or Mesilla. I'm not sure if you roll those L's, but walking into this model, obviously it's two-story. Walking in directly to our right, this is our home office setup. Dual door entry, no closet in here as it's strictly for an office den type of area. They have it nicely set up as an office, and behind me is going to be a few things. So some storage there, but you'll also see this bathroom is a full bathroom for guests, and this room here is set up as their design room, but it is counted as a bedroom with a closet as well. So one bedroom there. And walking back out into the main living area, you'll see this open floor plan with the dining room flows nicely into the living room, this main living room area. And also just to the back side of it, you also have another dining, probably a informal dining that leads over to the big kitchen. So big island here, lots of counter space that wraps throughout. Please excuse my phone going off. But let's peek into the backyard. Real big backyard. This is the model home, so this lot's probably a lot bigger than what they're offering with some of their inventory and where you can build. Always like to look into the pantry for where we're going to store our snacks. Lots of good shelving in there. Let's move on up to the second floor. And I like how this stairwell feels safe. There's not, the railing. It's just a wall. So up here, you're going to have a nice loft. They got a really good setup here. Obviously, you can fit a nice little sectional with the TV setup. And up here is going to be where majority of the bedrooms are. So let's peek into bedroom. This will be guest bedroom number 2. They have this set up as a nursery, but this is the first bedroom upstairs. Real good size. Moving on to the next room. This is going to actually be the guest bathroom, and so full bathtub setup, or bathtub and shower setup. Let's peek into this guest bedroom here. This is, I almost mistaken this for the master, but it's just a big room, and they also have that walk-in closet. So coming to this side, you're going to see the laundry room, which is actually a really nice setup because majority of the bedrooms are upstairs, and this is actually opposite of where you're going to find the master bedroom. So walking into the master, this is a really nice setup, lots of open space. So this is really the master, and I'm glad this is it because it's a lot bigger than all of the bedrooms. Moving into the master suite, you'll find the dual sinks, the nice flooring setup. All the way across is going to be the walk-in closet, but you also have your shower here, which very good size, seems spacious. You can also have storage there. They have their hampers and a nice, very large walk-in closet. Okay, so I just wanted to run through some of the pricing from their website. So Centex, this is the Santa Clara community in Converse, Texas. At the time of this video, where it's June 2024, they have special financing. They're offering a 4.99 fixed rate for 30 years, subject to credit approval. If that's something you're interested in, rates currently at market value, if you were buying, say, a pre-owned home, not brand new, rates are on average in the 7s or high 6s, low 7s, depending on your credit score. So this neighborhood is offering that. They're also starting at about just under $250K. Their homes range from 1,200 to 2,600 square feet. And I'll run through a map, just the proximity, because it's really close to Fort Sam Houston, downtown, Randolph Air Force Base, and easy access to the 1604 loop. So real quick, one thing I wanted to point out, that they have 13 home designs. So these homes are starting, this is the Adams model, the one that I took you through. We'll get to that, but just know they're single story, starting at 1,200 square feet. $243,000 is the base price. The Taft model, Pierce, and you can see these go all the way up. So Springfield, this is a large 4-bedroom, 1,800 square feet, which can definitely fit a family with kids. If you're looking for something bigger, it goes all the way up. What I took you guys through in the property tour was the Mesilla or the Mesilla model. Not sure how it's pronounced officially, but that was 2,600 square feet, right? 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2-car garage, and it starts at 322,000, right around there. I'd say the model that I walked you through, obviously there's some upgrades there. So if you're looking to do some upgrades, I'd kind of budget in about 300 and for about 350 or so. So you'll still get a really good sized home for a really low payment. These homes are priced really, really low. This is the site, the map on their site. I wanted to actually kind of show you on Google Maps. So on Google Maps here, you can see this is the community. This is the 1604 freeway. And it hits the 10 here and it goes all the way up. If you go north on the 1604 loop, you can see there that it goes, this is the 35 and this 35 takes you to Austin. So it intersects there. So real easy access to the 35, 1604 and the 35. The 10 will take you downtown, and it'll also take you if you're PCSing from the Army or even the Air Force. So the Army, our bases are over here. I say ours because I'm an Army veteran, but you can see it's minutes away from Fort Sam Houston. Also BAMC, Brooke Army Medical Center, is right here. You'll also, if you're in the Air Force, moving back over here, you can roll out of bed and do a somersault and you're probably at the gate going on to base. So super close proximity. This whole area here in Converse, Texas is growing. All of this here. So there's a lot of shopping being developed, commercial projects, things like that. And the school district here is Judson, if I'm not mistaken. So Judson ISD, which I can provide a link to their school district there. Oh yeah, I said it here. So neighborhood features, Judson Independent School District, and all the other stuff I've already mentioned. Last thing, if you are in the military, you don't have to be to live in this community. Even if you weren't in the military, it's a good property to invest in. You can expect appreciation just because it's built so close to the military bases. The values and the development's only going to go up. But I did want to show you, sorry for my scrolling, I showed you at first their special financing. If you reach out to me, I can make sure you get these veteran benefits or active duty military. You can also be a teacher, nurse, first responder, police, firefighter, active and former military, tripping on my words. But they're also looking to cover closing costs. We've been able to get some of these inventory homes that I showed you guys that are, so I showed you 12, these are all the models, right? So I showed you 13 home designs, or just kind of browse through them, but they have 23 quick move-in homes, meaning these homes are either built already and waiting for a buyer, or they're on schedule to be built, let's just say in the next couple months if they already started construction. This means there's no buyer. So when these homes are built, they're going to cost the builder money the longer they sit there and don't have an owner. So basically, they're willing to budge more on these prices. And if you reach out to us, we're happy to help you negotiate the best rate. We've done it for plenty of our clients, and we love moving people to San Antonio, Converse area, and also helping people negotiate the best deal on a new construction property. It's what we specialize in. So just know that, and you can reach out to us in the description box below, or shoot us a text at the phone number, send us an email, or schedule some time with us to hop on a Zoom. So I hope this video was helpful. And if you're looking at Centex or even at any of the other builders, feel free to reach out to us, and we look forward to seeing you on our next home tour.